What's going on, guys? This is FQ here to show you guys the best ways of making money online. Now, before I get started, I just want to show you guys a free guide that I kind of put together that will basically give you guys these steps. And you don't need to be a certain age, you don't have to have any prior experience. Anyone can make money online if you take the right steps, because we are living in the internet marketing era, and if you are not taking advantage of the internet, you are doing yourself a huge disservice. So go ahead and sign up for my free guide. All you have to do is enter your email address and it will get sent down to you to your email. So go ahead and do that. Link in the description for the free guide. But with that being said, let's get started. I'll start with the best way I feel like is to make money online. And keep in mind, folks, these are all short-term type of get money quick type of ways. This is not building a business. This is not starting a long-term investment, because I'm sure you guys all know that this is how can we utilize the internet to make a couple quick bucks to put some money in our pockets for whatever we need to do. Okay, so the best ways that I've seen is definitely surveys. Okay, taking surveys, and the first website I'm going to show you is Survey Voices. Okay, and all of the links for these websites will be in the description, so go ahead, and if you want to check out these websites, go ahead and click the link in the description for each respective website. So let's start with Survey Voices. It's basically obviously a website that pays you out for taking surveys. Now, it can pay you anywhere from $5 to $75. This all depends on the survey, and you're basically getting paid to give your opinion. They could ask you, and they have surveys on just about every single thing. Usually with global brands is what they focus on, but all you have to do, and you could do this passively while you're watching TV, while you're doing anything in terms of just sitting around the house. You could take these surveys and you can earn yourself a couple extra bucks while you're doing it, and that's all that there is to it. So Survey Voices is the first one, and I'm going to be showing you guys a few of these survey websites and then telling you guys which I feel like is the best one. Let's move on to the second survey website that I'm going to show you guys, and this one is called Opinion City. So basically similar to Survey Voices, where you just take surveys and they pay you out, but with this one, what their focus is they partner with top market research companies who then will send them surveys that they provide for you guys so that you can earn money easily. Again, pretty simple process. All you have to do is enter your first name, last name, and email address just to get in and be able to sign up. And again, links for all of these websites will be in the description, so go ahead and check that out if you want to check out these websites. But overall, Opinion City again will pay you out for these surveys, and these surveys are pretty simple, pretty self-explanatory. And again, it's best to do these when you just have some passive time, some free time, and you can just knock a couple surveys out while you're watching TV or doing something like that. So definitely go ahead and check this out. It's more based around market research type of surveys for these companies that want to get your opinion, which is why it's called Opinion City, I'm sure. So go ahead and check this website out. Okay, let's move on to the other survey website that I'm going to be showing you guys, and this one is called Cash Crate. Okay, so Cash Crate's another great survey website. You do have to enter in some extra additional information for this, but it's a pretty safe, relatively safe website. There's a lot of reviews on it, so you guys can go ahead and check that out. Basically, with Cash Crate, again, take surveys, and you definitely earn cash here, and basically you also get money for referring your friends. So they are targeting you to not just have you fill out surveys, but do it for your friends as well. They have one of the best and highest paid referral programs, so definitely check this out. I do like Cash Crate. You can definitely make a decent amount of money, and again, it's best to fill out all of these surveys when you just have free time. I know everybody says they have free time. I know everybody says they're bored. So why not earn some cash while you're doing it? So definitely check out Cash Crate, link in the description. Okay, let's move on to the other survey website, and this is called Swagbucks. Now, Swagbucks is one of my favorites. And the reason for this is because they are very creative in what they do, and it's not just surveys. They pay you out for doing a bunch of different things. As you guys can see here on the website, they're showing that they have paid over $256 million to their members, so you know that this is a legit website. And here's the thing I want to show you guys, ways to earn. It's not just taking surveys. You can shop, you can search, you can watch videos, you can play games, and you can earn money in a bunch of different ways. Now, one thing I do want to point out is they also have a way of where you earn swag bucks, and I'm guessing that's why the website is called Swag Bucks. It's basically points. So think of it like if you have a credit card and you get points for that. So with swag bucks, if you have, let's say, 500 swag bucks, you can get a $5 or a $10 Amazon gift card for exchanging those swag bucks. And you earn obviously swag bucks from performing all of these activities. So they do it a little different way. They basically allow you to have swag bucks. So it's a creative way to do it for sure. I would definitely go ahead and check out swag bucks, and all they require is your email and a password, and you can sign up, or you can just use Facebook. So pretty safe. They don't ask you a lot of questions to be able to sign up, and you don't need to be a certain age and whatnot. And so go ahead and check out swag bucks if you will. Let's move on to the last one for the surveys that I'm going to be showing you guys, and this one is called Opinion Outpost. So again, pretty self-explanatory. Take online surveys and get paid or earn cash rewards and entries. They're talking about their quarterly prize, but basically you sign up now, and I like it. Not asking too much information, just first name, last name, email, and that's it. And it's pretty simple. They give you guys basically their story of how they got started and whatnot, but of course you don't care about that. But here's the thing, you take the surveys, you redeem them for cash, but they also allow you to get gift vouchers for popular brands. So it doesn't just give you cash, but you can also exchange it for a bunch of different things. But again, another good website for you guys to go ahead and check out. With Opinion Outpost, they do pay you out through PayPal. One other thing I do want to say with Opinion Outpost, they do have a $10 payout minimum, so you do have to earn $10 before you can withdraw any money. But go ahead and check out Opinion Outpost, a solid website for you guys to check out. Link in the description. Now let's move on to the second method of earning money online. This was all the first method with surveys, so let's move on to the second one, and I'm going to be starting with a website called Slice the Pie. Okay, if you guys have not heard of this website, this is a website that basically allows you to earn money by reviewing and rating music. Come on, folks, I know everybody listens to music, and I know everybody reviews and has music that they basically prefer. Okay, so why not get paid for it? Why not just listen to music, get paid for it? Again, pretty simple, self-explanatory. You can just sign up, get paid for your opinion. Now they do offer a bunch of different things, but they are known for rating and reviewing music, and that is how you make money online. So pretty creative. So if you like music and you like giving an opinion on music, and if you think you have a pretty good taste, if you will, or a good ear, if you will, I should say, for music, so go ahead and check out Slice the Pie. Very creative website. I would definitely recommend it. Go ahead and check that out, Slice the Pie. Let's move on to the third way of making money, and this is a website called, I have a hard time pronouncing this, but I think it's QMee because of how you guys see it spelled, QMEE. And this website pays you out for basically searching. Okay, you search things and you click on sponsored results, sponsored advertisement, and they will basically pay you out for that. Again, this is all part of market research that companies are doing, so go ahead and check this out. And you can see here, this is just straight cold hard cash, no swag points or swag bucks, if you will. Again, that's a shot that they're taking at swag bucks, but no reward points or anything like that. You just earn straight up cash. You just sign up with your email, so they don't even want your name. They just want your email. They are getting right down to the bottom line. So I definitely recommend you guys check out QMee. Definitely a good website. I'm probably botching their name, but you guys can go ahead and check that out. You get paid out for searching and earn a couple quick extra bucks. Again, very easy task for you to do. Just click here, take some surveys if you want. Some of these are one question, some are less than 5 questions. So go ahead and check out this website. Let's move on to the fourth method. It is Fiverr. And if you guys haven't heard of Fiverr, I think you've been living under a rock, because this is a great website, okay? How you earn money on Fiverr is basically you become a seller, and Fiverr allows you to basically use any talent that you have and provide it and make it into a service for other people. So I have used Fiverr before. I've used it to basically have somebody create an intro for my channel, okay? And basically I just give them the description of what I'm looking for. Let's say I'm looking for this color and this type of logo. They create it, send it to you, you talk to them. Now they have a $5 type of a standard fee, if you will, so everything is usually $5, but you can go and do a bunch of different things. If you're into graphics and design, if you know digital marketing, if you know video and animation, you're really good with editing, you're really good with music, you're really good with programming, technology, they just have a bunch of different things. This is a great website, not just to, again, this is about the making money part. You can become a seller, but man, there's a lot of talent out there, so you can also get stuff from other people as well. But with that being said, Fiverr is a great website. 10 out of 10. I would definitely recommend them. So make sure you guys go ahead and check them out. Okay, and let's talk about the last and final method of making money online and easy. And this is a website called usertesting.com. This is a site that basically pays you to complete a set of tasks and basically test a product, if you will, and you get paid $10 per test. Simple as that. You can sign up right here, enter your email address, and go ahead and get paid out to do user testing for this website. And it's pretty simple. Like I said, companies want your opinion on their products, and if you are willing to do that, they will pay you for it. So it doesn't get any easier than that. Again, guys, with all of these methods, the focus here is not a long-term type of commitment. We're just doing short-term commitment for short-term money, and these are all easy ways to do it. So again, there you have it, folks. 5 easy ways to earn money online. Take surveys. You can get paid to offer your service on one of your talents that you have. You can do user testing. You can search up different types of results, and there's just a bunch of different things out there for you guys to check out. So go ahead and check these out. Check out all of these website links are in the description for that, but I definitely recommend all of these. So there you have it, folks. If you did enjoy this video, please make sure to go ahead and hit the like button and go ahead and subscribe, and make sure to download my free guide on the 5 easiest ways to make money online. Link down below for that. Thank you for watching.